Hey everyone, this is Abbas and I have the HP Victus 16 laptop with me. Now, Victus and Omen are both gaming laptop series from HP. Omen is targeted more towards the higher end gamers, someone who demands a lot more out of their machines with really good cooling and stuff. Victus, on the other hand, as we'll find out, is still good for gamers, but for potentially new gamers or casual gamers. Let's go ahead and unbox this. That's the laptop itself. It's a 16-inch laptop, as I had mentioned. Oh, looks nice, doesn't it? You've got a nice V on top for Victus, and you've got 016 here. Nice. It's got nice little accents that add to it. Let's see what else we have in the box before we come to the laptop. You have a charging brick. Let's have a look at this. Nice charging brick, 200 watts. That's pretty powerful, so good enough to power a laptop, which can do some gaming. All right, let's have a look at the laptop. Starting with the specs, you have the Intel Core i7 12th generation, 12700 processor. You've got 512 gigs of storage, 16 gigs of RAM, and the screen is 16.1 inches with 144 Hz display on it. It has the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card and B&O audio, so great from a visual and audio perspective. All right, let's go ahead and open the laptop. Look at that, it looks nice, doesn't it? It's a massive screen, very thin bezels, you've got the webcam on top, keyboard is nice and spacious, you've got a number pad on the side as well, and the trackpad looks quite big as well. The buttons, you can't really see them, so that's quite nice. Let's have a look at some of the ports on this laptop. So you've got USB-A on the side, nothing on the back side. I'm assuming this is used for cooling the laptop, some ventilation. You've got a network, HDMI, another USB-A and a USB-C port, along with the 3.5, no, that's a power charger, 3.5mm and an SD card slot. I like the SD card slot as it allows you to do some productivity things on it if you want to import some photographs or videos and work on that. This laptop is super capable of that. But the RTX 3060 on it also allows you to game on it. 3060 is a fairly powerful gaming GPU, and with the full HD screen and 144 Hz panel, it's going to give you a nice gaming experience.